Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade croutons. You'll first need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we will need to cube up our bread. Using stale, older bread for this is ideal. Place it in a bowl. Use some oil if you want them to be extra delicious. I'm just using this olive oil spray. Coat them while tossing them to ensure even coverage. Now season them. You can add whatever seasonings you like. I'm using a fourth a teaspoon of turmeric for color, a half a teaspoon of all of these other seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, dried basil, dried thyme, dried oregano. For extra umami, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then a half a teaspoon of salt and a fourth a teaspoon of black pepper. You want to make sure everything is coated evenly, and then you're going to spread it out on a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat, and we're going to bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, you're going to want to take it out and toss it and bake for another 10. Repeat this process until they are deliciously crunchy and golden.